We're headed into Thanksgiving tomorrow, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Lots of folks going to be hitting the road.
A big travel time indeed. So if you are maybe heading out to the coastline, there is some cautionary tales to let you know about. We're talking about the return of some sneaker waves starting Thanksgiving Day and then taking us through the weekend as our skies begin to dry. But right now, just holding on to the wet conditions as we prepare for the wind to start to pick up. But remember, staying safe along the Oregon coast and the Washington coast will be a must by staying off those rocks, the jetties, and the logs, even as our weather begins to dry by the end of the week and into our weekend. Right now, nothing but the cloudy skies and the wet weather finding its way back into the Portland, Vancouver area. 45 degrees, that's where we currently reside, and that's really all we've managed to squeeze out for much of the day today, as our visibility is impacted by that widespread moisture, falling back to single digits for us here in Portland, Vancouver, down to about 3 miles visibility for parts of the coastline, as this flowing of moisture continues to end up in western Oregon and southwest Washington, also getting underway with the snow as it falls right around about 4,500 feet. Now, as far as the rain accumulation goes, these numbers are going to continue to gain as we move our way through this rainy night ahead, but more than 1/10 of an inch, close to 1/4 in some locations, helping to shrink our rain deficit that has now grown to almost a full inch. Keep in mind, November typically our second wettest month of the year, just behind December, and we should close out the month here in the next several days with close to 5.5 inches. Right now, only about 3.25 in the bucket, as temperatures right now stabilizing into the mid-40s thanks to that wet weather. As the rain takes us through the rest of this evening, temperatures at least stable into the mid-40s, as the low 40s are anticipated by the time sunrise approaches. But this flow of moisture is really kind of riding along the jet stream as mild temperatures still remain to our south. That's what's really keeping things on the comfortable side over the next several days, as a low pressure system then moves back into place just in time for Thanksgiving Day itself, which means the rain will remain. So for the start of the day tomorrow, maybe if you're just hitting the road, expect to hold on to the wet weather potential. The winds, they'll start to taper back by the afternoon hours as a brief drying trend for much of the I-5 corridor gets underway by Wednesday afternoon and evening, just for that low pressure system to give us some very light scattered showers. So this isn't going to be as intense on Thanksgiving as what we are currently experiencing, but nonetheless, still going to be remaining on the wet side as rain gauges on top of what we've already picked up on, closing in at nearly 3/4 of an inch to almost a full inch for the I-5 corridor, closer to 1.5 inches for the coast. The snow elevation levels continue to retreat back up to about 6,500 feet for Wednesday. Thursday, though, falls back down to about 5,000 feet, so we will see some snow return to the high terrain of the Cascades of Oregon out towards the northeast corner of our state as well. But the real snowmaker, that's going to be over the Cascades of western Washington. Thanksgiving travel for itself is expected to be on the wet side for much of the Pacific Northwest. As you head up in elevation, maybe a few snowflakes, but likely melting on contact, so the impacts are going to be minor. Can't say the same for our friends out towards the Great Lakes region, where snow will continue to fire up over the next several days. Thanksgiving Day itself mostly dry for the entirety of the country, with the exception of us here in the Pacific Northwest. And then we get the snow system to start to work its way into the Rocky Mountain states for Black Friday. By the end of Friday night, all of the snow pretty much exclusively for those northern states. But again, low impact. 44 degrees, that's where we fall to tonight. Tomorrow, back up to the low to mid-50s. And for Thanksgiving Day itself, expecting to see a few of those scattered showers. It will be breezy at times with winds nearing about 20 to 25 miles per hour. 7-day forecast shows dry skies returning Friday. That takes us into the holiday weekend, as well as many folks are liking this forecast as they prepare to start decorating for the holidays. It's going to be comfortable out there and also dry.
Yeah, that looks really great.
It does.
All right, thanks.
Still to come.